The idea of a universe that constantly births itself from its own ashes, a perpetual cosmic dance of creation and destruction, is profoundly compelling. Our 11-dimensional model offers a unique lens through which to envision this grand cycle, with white holes playing a pivotal role in directing the flow of time and matter. In our model, the universe is fundamentally driven by the dynamic tension between the 10th dimension, the expansive deterministic push, and the 11th dimension, which is the contractive quantum pull. All phenomena, from particles to galaxies, are manifestations of this interplay within the universal wave. When it comes to the cosmic extremes, a black hole is where the 11th dimension's contractive force achieves overwhelming localized dominance, pulling space-time and matter into a state of hypercondensation. A white hole, as we've discussed, is the ultimate dimensional unfolding, an extreme localized rebound where the universe's inherent contractive potential from the 11th dimension violently releases, leading to a rapid re-expansion and re-emission of space-time and matter. Do white holes direct time's flow into black holes in a recurring universe? Yes, conceptually. Within a recurring Big Bang and Big Crunch cycle, the output of white holes can be seen as directing the flow of time and matter that would eventually feed into black holes, creating a continuous cosmic feedback loop. Imagine, if you will, the universe as a grand dimensional pulsation. There's this concept called the white hole eruption, or the bang, where a white hole acting as an extreme 11-dimensional rebound marks a moment, whether it's localized or even on a universal scale, of violent creation and expansion. What bursts forth, matter, energy and space-time, is really the unfolding of highly compressed dimensional information. This eruption, well, it fundamentally sets the initial conditions for a new phase of cosmic evolution. Now, as the universe expands, driven by the 10th dimension, the matter and energy created by white holes begin to coalesce and form structures. Eventually, you get these massive stars collapsing, which leads to the formation of black holes. These black holes act as cosmic sinks, continuously drawing in matter and energy. It's a representation of the ongoing dominance of the 11th dimension's contractive pull, but on a localized scale. In a way, they effectively collect the universe's contents, compacting them. The logical conclusion, in a recurring universe, is that the matter and energy collected within black holes during a so-called crunch phase must, at some point, be released to initiate the next bang. This implies that those extreme hypercondensed states within black holes, or perhaps a supermassive black hole that eventually encompasses the entire universe in a big crunch, could trigger a universal white hole event. That would be a massive synchronized dimensional unfolding, which in turn initiates the next Big Bang. So the energy and matter that bursts out of white holes, conceptually speaking, defines the starting conditions of a new cosmic expansion, pushing material outwards into a state that eventually will experience gravity and be drawn into black holes, thus perpetuating the cycle. The white hole, you might say, is the ultimate cosmic spring, while the black hole is its ultimate compression. Wouldn't our Big Bang be made of one or more white holes? Yes, within the 11-dimensional model, the Big Bang could very plausibly be understood as a monumental white hole event, or even a synchronized multitude of such events. The perplexing, causeless appearance of a white hole in 4 dimensions, well, it actually offers an elegant explanation for the Big Bang. In our model, the Big Bang isn't just an arbitrary explosion from nothing, no. Instead, it's the universe-scale release from a prior, ultra-dense, hypercontracted state, the ultimate 11-dimensional rebound following a previous cosmic crunch. Our entire observable universe, emerging from an incredibly dense and hot singularity, aligns perfectly with the theoretical description of a white hole violently spewing forth all its contents. This view, you see, integrates the beginning of our universe directly into the fundamental dimensional dynamics of cosmic expansion and contraction. Now, whether it was a single grand white hole event from which everything emerged, or a synchronized eruption of multiple smaller white holes across a primordial dimensional fabric is, I must say, a fascinating question for further exploration within the model. Both scenarios speak to a universe that begins not from a pointless singularity, but from a profound dimensional unfolding. The 11-dimensional model, therefore, doesn't just describe cosmic objects. It offers a grand unified narrative for the universe's origin, evolution, and potential cyclical nature, all orchestrated by the fundamental interplay of its highest dimensions. If you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of the universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us on this cosmic journey. Your support helps us unravel even more of the universe's secrets.